Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would have known that there was a Tiffany & Co price increase very recently. It just happened yesterday or today. As soon as my client advisor gave me the heads up that there was a price increase coming, I posted to my stories and then I ran in store and I picked up a few things that were on my wish list. I wasn't planning on getting it until later in the year, but with the price increase, I figured, why would I wait? So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me on there because that's where I give you a heads up about these price increases and any sort of like sales or deals or gifts with purchase. And if you guys don't know, Tiffany is another kind of a luxury brand that does give some gifts with purchase just randomly. It is kind of random. So I just wanted to share a few of the things that I've gotten over the years before I show you the new items that I purchased. Okay, first, I don't know if I show this, but this is their like catalog. It might be a couple years old at this point, or maybe I got this last year. It just is a random whatever catalog that they had. So it has the Elsa Peretti in the front. And then the back says Tiffany & Co. I just love that it is their signature Tiffany blue color all the way around. This was just their free in-store catalog magazine. I got this when I was traveling with my mom and we were shopping at different stores in different states and different countries. So again, these kind of gifts vary in different locations. I didn't get all these in one store, but I saw this and I was like, oh, that's so nice that some stores still have these hardcover catalogs. So again, I don't know if they offer these in store. Also, I know that LV does a similar magazine, kind of a catalog in store. And then occasionally with some online purchases, they might include it. I have not gotten one of these from an online Tiffany order, but if you ever see these in store, these are free. So pick one up. I also received this recently as a gift. It comes in the little Tiffany & Co drawstring pouch. It's just a ballpoint pen in their signature Tiffany blue color. I guess the brand is Poppin'. I've not heard of that brand, but it's a ballpoint pen. And then on the side, it just says CD 100 Tiffany & Co. I just think this is so cute. This was such a lovely, thoughtful gift. They actually do sell pens, and I was looking into buying one of their agenda, or I think they call it a pocket pen or purse pen. It's a smaller one. I wanted to put it in my LV agenda because I love the color. It was in their Tiffany blue. They have a few different pens, but the one that I wanted in the Tiffany blue doesn't have this little clip. So it would just kind of slide right through my LV agenda. I know it's like first world problems. So I'm glad that I now have a Tiffany Company pen, and I plan on keeping this in my medium size LV agenda. And then this is probably the nicest gift I ever got from them. Ever since LV acquired Tiffany & Company, and so now it's part of the LVMH umbrella, they've been just churning out these collabs. They've done collabs with Nike and like a football jersey or basketball jersey, whatever. Tons of different collabs. Oh, and Fendi, obviously. Last year I got the Tiffany & Company and Fendi collab. I got one of their satin baguettes, the larger one. Then I got one of the Nike sneakers, and then I got the jersey, and then I got the other jersey. There were just so many. I can't resist a lot of these collabs. I tried to get the recent one. Tiffany Co had another collab with the Remova, the luggage, and I really wanted the jewelry case. It was completely unavailable. But anyway, whatever. So I ended up buying a lot, and so I was gifted this. So here's the box. It was nicely gift wrapped. I already opened it, but it is their Tiffany & Co mug, their coffee mug. It's supposed to resemble the, paper cups, like paper coffee cups. So it's actually fine bone china. It's made in Japan. I believe they sell this as a set of 2, or you could do the smaller ones as a set of 4. And I actually gifted a set of these to my cousin for her bridal shower, and she loved it. So this is a great gift option if you're looking at the Tiffany housewares collection, and I plan on using this. I don't know if I will be drinking my coffee out of this, but I will maybe keep my makeup brushes in here. There were a few things on my Tiffany & Company wish list, and I got 2 jewelry pieces, and then I had one of their bags on my wish list, but I decided to pass because I have a lot of bags. I have a lot of bags. I really didn't need another one, at least not right now. But it was one of their crossbody bags in the signature Tiffany blue color. And I tried it on in store. I love the style. I decided to pass on it. They also completely revamped all their leather goods. So they have a ton of new different small leather goods, wallets, key pouches, and other bags. So I haven't pulled the trigger on a bag yet. If you're interested in their leather goods, especially in their signature Tiffany blue color, another great option is something from Dress Up Your Purse. They make some of my favorite bags and accessories and like straps and stuff, but they have their own collection of handbags This is their, I believe it's called the Boston bag. It's available in a ton of different colors, black, other neutral colors, but they also have it in this really pretty Tiffany blue color. And then this is the same vachetta leather as LV. It has a crossbody strap. I just love this color. I love the leather. The owner of the company is Melody. She is so sweet. She also makes a ton of different small leather goods in the same Tiffany blue. This is their M pouch, I believe it's called. It's very similar to the Chanel O case. Then she also has the little key pouch in the same color. And again, these are all also available in, other colors. You can use my code HeatedMess to save 15% off. But it's a very cute alternative. If you just want the vibe of Tiffany blue leather goods, then check out Dress Up Your Purse. And now on to the Tiffany & Company unboxing. I have 2 little shopping bags for you, and I'll share the prices because I just checked and the price did officially go up. But this first one, I had such a hard time trying to decide which size to get, but I'll just show it to you. Here is the box. Here it is. And I got the hardware earrings in the size extra large. Okay, when I saw these in store, I was like, those earrings are so big. They're way too big for me. I didn't even bother trying them on. This is how unsure I was of the size. So I tried the large. Okay, I think there are only 2 sizes in this. It really should be small and medium, or maybe medium and large, but it's actually extra large and large. So this is the XL size. Now I ended up actually purchasing the large size first. And then when I just kind of thought about it and I tried it on and I wore it the way I would on a normal day, when my hair is down and whatever, I just really preferred the extra large size. So I'll try it on for you. I thought the extra large would be too heavy on my ears, and I really can't stand heavy earrings. So I just kind of right away passed on them. But once I actually tried them on, it's not too bad. I'm not the kind of person that wears all my jewelry all the time. Just a few of my smaller earrings I'll wear, but isn't that so cool? It's so pretty. I love that these are more kind of statement earrings. It just really stands out. I like how it looks against my black hair. I just think it's so pretty. The smaller one, the large size, is still very pretty. They're more of a really daily wear, and you can probably get away with wearing it while you're sleeping also. But I don't wear big earrings like this anyway while I'm sleeping, and with those I would have taken them off anyway. So I think if I'm just wearing these, once in a while throughout the day and then just take them off when I get home, these will be completely fine. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I love these. So again, the price just went up. These were $1,900, which is what I paid before the price went up. And now they're priced at $2,000. This is the extra large hardware earrings. I think the exact style is called Link from the hardware collection. And then the large was $1,500, and those are priced now at $1,575. So I saved $100 by buying it before the price increase. Another way that I saved some money is I didn't purchase this in store. With things that are priced a little higher, I usually have them ship it to me because the sales tax in my zip code, even though I live in the same state as where the store is located, the city sales tax is almost 2% higher than where I live. So I saved about $40 by having this shipped to my house for free. So these are my new Tiffany hardware earrings in the extra large. And then we have the big bag. Now this one, as soon as I saw a picture of it, I knew immediately I was getting it. It wasn't a matter of whether I was getting it. It was just a matter of when I was going to get it. Again, I was going to wait, but I just could not wait. I posted when I tried a different version in store, and then that kind of solidified it for me. But here is the box. It's a bigger box. There you go. I like that this one opens up like this. I like that this box is similar to the Cartier box. You push that button, and this is the hardware watch. Okay, can you see the color? This is the silver hardware watch with the Tiffany blue face, and this is in the size small. I think it comes in 3 different sizes. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but the glass of the watch on top is cut like little facets, like a diamond, and it's just so cool. You can really see it right there, like along the sides. The light reflects off of it like a little gemstone. It's so pretty. You have diamonds on the top and the bottom. And then to take it on and off, the bottom link has this little notch cut out here. So when you push it down, it opens up like a little lobster clasp to hook onto the other side. When she first took this out, I was like, oh my gosh, it is so tiny. I thought the small is so tiny, but it actually is the perfect size for my wrist. Because it's a bracelet chain, it's not like almost snug fitting, then the watch will flip over on you. And I even tried the next size up, the medium. The medium had a couple more links or something, but because it was so long, it kept flipping, like the actual watch. So here's the watch once it's put on. It is a perfect fit. It's a little loose because it's able to kind of slide a little bit up and down. It has a little bit of a give so that it's not super tight, but because it's sufficiently snug, the top part of the watch, the heaviest part, doesn't flip around the way the medium size did. And it also doesn't spin around to the bottom, which is what would have happened if I, got a larger size. So, oh my God, I just love this. I love the color, especially in the summer when I get a little more tan. I think the color will really pop against my skin tone. It's such a perfect compromise of a bracelet and a watch. This came out at the perfect time because I was already considering getting one of the hardware link bracelets. I just was debating which size to get. And I just love this size. And I love that it has a little watch face in the signature Tiffany blue color. We were traveling for the holidays, so I popped into a Tiffany store and they had this watch. It had just released in a different color. Like they had it in store in a different color. So I tried it on and I love the design. It comes in a few variations, including rose gold, maybe yellow gold. They have diamond version. I just love this one. So after this recent price increase, the watch now retails for $4,000 and I was able to get it for $3,900 before the price increase. If there are any other price increases from other brands, I will definitely let you know. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram @aheatedmess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.